AP117 Algorithms and Programming. In this video we're going to be looking at traversals. So here's the question. In the binary search tree shown below, which is here, which of the following is the appropriate sequence of nodes that are visited in an in-order traversal? So here we have our four options of the order in which the nodes are visited, and we're going to see which of these is our correct answer for this certain algorithm. Let's analyze traversals. A traversal is a process that visits all the nodes in a binary search tree, or in a binary tree. Since the tree is a nonlinear data structure, there is no unique traversal. We will consider several traversal algorithms as below. First of all, the depth-first algorithm for traversal, and then the breadth-first traversal. There are three different types of depth-first traversals. So here we have a pre-order traversal. Visit the parent first, then the left, and then the right children. An in-order traversal, visit the left child, then the parent, and then the right child. And a post-order traversal, visit the left child, then the right child, and then the parent. There is only one kind of breadth-first traversal, the level order traversal. This traversal visits nodes by level from top to bottom, from left to right. So let's analyze our traversal of in-order algorithm. And so what this said was we visit first of all the left child, then the parent, then the right child. So first of all we start from the bottom left child. So here this is going to be D. So this is where we will start our search. What we'll then do is we'll visit the parent of D, which is then B. So we've come to B. And then we visit the right-hand child, E. So we come to E. Finally, what we do is we come to A, as A can be considered the parent for this whole branch. So we'll go to the parent, which is going to be A, and then we will move to the right-hand child, C. After C, what we can do is we can see that there is no parent to C on this side, and there is no left-hand child. So the only final place we can visit is F, down here. So this means that the order that we are expecting the nodes to be visited is D, then B, then E, then A, then C, then F. And what we can see is this aligns with our value for B. D, B, E, A, C, F. So let's just check this, and also let's analyze what some of the other traversals are. So we've already analyzed the in-order algorithm for traversal. So let's have a look at the pre-order algorithm for traversal. So first of all, we would start at F. We start at the parent child. The parents are the children, the main parent of the whole structure, the tree. Then what we'll do is we'll go to the left child, so we'll go to B. And then from B here we'll go to the left child again, which is to A. And then what we'll do is we'll then go to the right child of B, which is then D. Finally we'll go to the left child of D, which is C, and then the right child of D, which is E. From here we then go to the right hand child of the main F, which will take us to G, and then this will lead us to I and then to H, as this is the only possible route. And so here we can see that pre-order illustration below. Here, the in-order algorithm, what we said is we start from the far left child. So here we will start from A. We will then return to the parent of A, which is B. We will then go to the bottom left child again, which is C, so A, B, C. Then we will come up to the parent of C, which is D, and then E, the right-hand child. We will then return to the node F, the parent child of all of this, and then we will go to G. However, here we will then go to the child, the left child of I, which is H, and then up to I. So this is the in-order algorithm we had already discussed. So let's have a look at the post-order traversal. So here what we do is we visit the left child first, then the right child, then the parent child. So we'll start at A, the left child. From here we will then go to our right child, which would be D, but this also has a subset of children. So we would end up at the left child again, so we would end up at C. From C we would then go to the right child, which is E, and then the parent, which is D. From this parent we would then go to the parent again, which would be B. Here we would then go to the right child. Well, the right child would be G, but then G has a right child, which is I, which also has a left child, which is H. So we would end up at H, and then go to I, and then to G, and then to F. back up the chain. And so this is the post-order algorithm here. The breadth first algorithm simply goes through the levels from left to right. So we would go from this starting point here, we will go across through F, then we'll come back down to the left-hand side and go through B and G. So then we would come back to the left-hand side to A and go through D and I, then back to the left-hand side and go through C, E, H. And this is shown below here. So, as the question asked, we had an in-order traversal, and B was the answer that followed the appropriate sequence of nodes that were visited in an in-order traversal. For the other types of traversals, we had the breadth-width first traversal, which gave us the answer A, the pre-order traversal, which would give us the answer C, and the post-order traversal, which would give us the answer given by D. So here we found that our answer is B, and what we've looked at is different types of traversals for a search tree. So we can go through the different orders in which nodes will be visited for different traversals